How to buy Chewy the Ball token. So this token came under the symbol of Chewy, CHEWY. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on CoinGecko, so you can go there and copy the token address as you can see. So the token address is under the Aptos network as you can see here. Now open your wallet. For that I will use the Bitget wallet. Now after that go to your wallet, select the Aptos from here. I will just type it. So this is it. Now after that what you need to do, just click on this plus icon, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is our token. Click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now click on confirm. Now after that click on plus. As you can see, note address not activate. Now click on the custom token. As you can see, now paste the token address here and click on confirm. Now after that, as you can see, click on add now and the address not activated. So it seems that you can't add it to your wallet for now. I don't know why. So there is another solution to buy this token. Click on markets here, and as you can see, you can buy it on the liquid swap. So click on this pair here, Chewy to Aptos. Now they will redirect you to liquid swap website to be able to buy this token there. Now click on I accept the terms. Click on continue. Connect your wallet for that. Click on other wallets. Select your wallet. For example, I will use the Bitget wallet. Now after that, click on confirm. Now, after you connect your wallet to the liquid swap, now we will go and buy this token. So click on swap here, click on swap. Now after that, select the token, just click on it, go back to CoinGecko and copy the token address from there of that token, just copy it. Now here, as you can see, you can now paste the token address here. As you can see, this is it. Now click on import. Click on import again. So this is it. Now here select the token that you want to buy with. For example, if you want to buy with USDT, you can select it like that, but make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. For that it will be the Bitget. Now type how much you want to buy. So wait a few seconds. So please report any bucks. So this is how much you will receive that token. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be buy this token. So this is how to buy the Chewy token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.